Although an abstract and an executive summary both appear at the beginning of a document, they are written for very different reasons and very different readers. Understanding this difference helps you choose the correct format and include the right information. What is an abstract? An abstract is a short academic summary of a research-based document. It gives readers a quick snapshot of the entire study so they can decide whether the full paper is relevant to their work. An abstract does not explain everything. Instead, it highlights the most important academic points in a clear and neutral way, without opinions or recommendations. Main purpose of an abstract. The purpose of an abstract is to help readers quickly understand what the research is about, allow scholars to decide whether to read the full paper, provide a brief overview for databases and academic search engines. Key components of an abstract. A strong abstract usually includes these elements: background or problem statement, briefly explains what issue or question the research addresses, research objective or aim, states what the study is trying to find out or prove, methodology, mentions how the research was conducted, for example, survey, experiment, qualitative interviews, data analysis, key results or findings, summarizes the most important outcomes of the study, conclusion, states what the results mean in a general academic sense. What to include in an abstract: research topic, purpose of the study, type of research method used, main findings, overall conclusion. What to avoid in an abstract: detailed data or statistics, long explanations, personal opinions, recommendations or action plans, references and citations. Tone and style of an abstract: formal and academic, objective and factual, written in a single paragraph in most cases, uses precise and clear language, length and placement. Abstracts are usually 150 to 300 words and appear before the introduction in academic documents such as research papers, theses, dissertations, journal articles. Types of abstracts: descriptive abstract, outlines the topic, scope, and methods but does not include results. Informative abstract, includes purpose, methods, results, and conclusions. This is the most common type in scientific research. What is an executive summary? An executive summary is a professional overview of a business, policy, or project report. It is written for people who do not have time to read the full document but still need to make decisions based on it. Unlike an abstract, an executive summary focuses on outcomes, impact, and next steps. Main purpose of an executive summary. The purpose of an executive summary is to present the most important information clearly, help leaders understand the issue quickly, support decision-making and planning, highlight recommendations and solutions. Key components of an executive summary. A complete executive summary often includes problem or business context, explains the situation, challenge, or opportunity, objectives of the report, states why the report was created, key findings or insights, highlights the most important results or observations, proposed solutions or strategies, explains what actions are suggested, financial or resource considerations, mentions costs, budget impact, or resources if relevant, recommendations, clearly states what decision-makers should do next. What to include in an executive summary. Purpose of the report, key points from each main section, risks and benefits, expected outcomes, clear recommendations. What to avoid in an executive summary, technical research details, complex academic language, long explanations of methods, minor or less important findings. Tone and style of an executive summary: clear and practical, results-focused, slightly persuasive, written in short, easy-to-read sections. Length and placement. Executive summaries can range from one page to several pages, depending on the document length. They are placed at the very beginning of business reports, project proposals, policy documents, strategic plans. Key differences. The purpose is the biggest difference. An abstract summarizes research for learning. An executive summary summarizes a report for action. The audience also differs. Abstracts are for academics and researchers. Executive summaries are for executives, managers, and stakeholders. The content changes based on the goal. Abstracts focus on research design and results. Executive summaries focus on impact, solutions, and decisions. The tone is different. Abstracts stay neutral and factual. Executive summaries are practical and forward-looking. The length and structure vary as well. Abstracts are short and tightly structured. Executive summaries are flexible and depend on the report's complexity. When to use each: if the document is written to share research, write an abstract. Use an abstract when you are writing a research paper, a thesis or dissertation, a scholarly journal article, an academic conference submission. If the document is written to support decisions, write an executive summary. Use an executive summary when you are writing a business report, a project proposal, a policy document, a feasibility study or strategic plan. In simple terms, an abstract explains what was studied and what was found, while an executive summary explains why it matters and what should be done next.